Farmland's got the courthouse, stories in the clay. Bushwhackers rode the ridges, some still ride today. Lost corners out yonder where the map runs thin. If you can't find the road, you're probably in.
Down in Center Ridge on a July night, spaghetti by the plateful under string light. Catholic point is singing, the fiddles in tune. Fireworks light the holler like a red gold moon.
Rolling through the Ozarks, names carved in stone. Gobbers Point to Cleveland, every hill's its own. Whispers in the timber, lanterns in the pines. Driving through the hills where the past still shines. Cleveland tells of witch balls glowing in the air. Crabtree folks just laugh and say we've seen them there. And Gobbers Point remembers turkeys thick as rain. Hunting kept the families fed through hard time pain. Rolling through the Ozarks, names carved in stone. Gobbers Point to Cleveland, every hill's its own. Whispers in the timber, lanterns in the pines. Driving through the hills where the past still shines. Rolling through the Ozarks with the road ahead. Ghost riders in the holler and the tails ain't dead. Suitcase by the doorway, map spread on the floor. Marking every diner we ain't tried before. Tank topped off and coffee strong. Just a few more nights and we'll be gone. Highways whisper in my sleep, dreaming of horizons wide and deep. Counting slow, but my heart's on fire. Counting down days till we hit the wire. Got playlists ready, packed with songs for every stretch that rolls along. Friends keep asking when we'll ride. I just grin and say not tonight. The smell of asphalt in my mind. Open skies I've yet to find. Every minute feels like a mile, but I'll be waiting here a while. Got whalers ready, packed with restless stars up in the sky. The road is calling soft and clear, soon enough, but not yet here. Got playlists ready, packed with song for every stretch that rolls along. Friends keep asking when we'll ride. I just grin and say not tonight. Not tonight. You wear the morning like a soft sundress, hair all tangled but you couldn't care less. Bare feet on the porch sipping sweet iced tea. You look like freedom and you're smiling at me. I wanna roll with you, stroll with you, go wherever you wanna go. Take the back road, slow with you, chasing dreams down every road. We got a good thing, baby, me and you, and it feels so right just making them come true. Yeah, I wanna roll with you. I love the way you dream out loud, talking about Paris like it's just downtown, saying one day you'll paint the sky. I'm down to ride, let's take the long way tonight. I wanna roll with you, stroll with you, go wherever you wanna go. Take the back road, slow with you, chasing dreams down every road. We got a good thing, baby, me and you, and it feels so right just making them come true. Yeah, I wanna roll with you. I've been missing you like crazy, feeling empty lately. When you're coming home to stay, girl, I need your sweet loving. My heart's been running, calling out your name each day. Someday we'll be sitting on a porch swing, gray in our hair, still doing the same thing, smiling at the life we made, holding your hand as the years slip away. I'll still roll with you, stroll with you, wherever this life may go. Take the long road, slow with you, even when we're moving slow. We got a good thing, baby, tried and true, and every day I keep falling for you. Yeah, I'll grow old with you.
Dusty road kicks up under my tires. Fading sun sets the sky on fire. Out here where the street lights die, feels like the edge of the world tonight. Strip malls fade to open fields, concrete traded for the way it feels. Silence loud enough to make you scream. you.